The 2025 Honda Ioniq 9 finally makes its much anticipated debut, bringing a bold new chapter to the electric SUV segment. This all electric SUV blends futuristic styling, advanced technology, and practical family utility in a way that's both refreshing and competitive. A product of Honda's partnership with Hyundai, SEGMP platform technology, the Ioniq 9 marks a clear commitment to the future of sustainable transportation while offering the kind of refinement and performance expected from a next-generation electric vehicle. The design of the Do Safar Do Punch Ioniq 9 is striking and aerodynamic, with a sharp, angular body that features clean lines and a distinctive LED lighting signature. The front fascia is minimal yet confident, showcasing a sleek grille-less design, and the full-width LED bar at the rear gives it a high-tech visual identity. The size and stance suggest capability, with muscular fenders and available Bs or 21-inch alloy wheels that hint at its performance potential. Flush door handles and a panoramic roof add to its premium look and feel. Inside, the Ioniq 9 offers a spacious and minimalist cabin filled with sustainable materials and cutting-edge features. The flat floor and long wheelbase result in generous interior space, making it an ideal option for families or tech-forward drivers who need versatility. The dashboard is dominated by a wide dual-screen setup that combines the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 12-speaker premium sound system, customizable ambient lighting, and an augmented reality head-up display enhance the high-tech ambience. The Ioniq 9 offers both single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive configurations. The base RWD version delivers around 300 horsepower and an estimated range of up to 340 miles on a single charge, while the AWD variant adds more power and torque for those who need stronger acceleration and all-weather traction. The electric powertrain is quiet, refined, and responsive, offering instant torque and a smooth driving experience. Adaptive suspension and selectable drive modes let drivers tailor the ride to their preferences, whether cruising comfortably or seeking a more spirited feel. Charging capabilities are equally impressive. Thanks to its 800 volts architecture, the Ioniq 9 can charge from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes using a DC fast charger. For home charging, a 240 volts level 2 setup enables a full recharge overnight. Vehicle to load V2L functionality allows the Ioniq 9 to power small appliances or even charge other EVs, adding a layer of practicality that's especially useful for outdoor adventures or emergencies. Safety is another strong suit. The Ioniq 9 is equipped with Honda's latest suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a semi-autonomous highway driving mode. These systems work together to provide a confident and secure driving experience. With its futuristic design, long-range performance, rapid charging, and spacious, tech-rich cabin, the 2025 Honda Ioniq 9 is positioned to be a major player in the evolving electric SUV landscape. It delivers a compelling mix of form and function, making it a standout choice for anyone ready to embrace the electric future without compromise.